Page of Cups. Okay, so some of you might be dealing with a water sign. Some of you, it could be an Aquarius, or it could be a water sign very prominently. We have Pisces here as well, very strongly. So yeah, we saw that you were moving on, and you were moving on from a connection which felt very, very right at the beginning. Okay, so you and this person, you connected very deeply on spiritual level or emotional level or whatever level that you were connecting with this person. But then I see there were secrets. So some sort of secrets were there. This person was hiding things from you. They were just energetically draining you. They kept on lying to you. This person might have lied that they are in relationship with someone. Maybe they were dating somebody, they were married, or they were just lying other things. You got to know about them, and I see that a very beautiful connection basically kind of got ruined because somebody chose to lie. All right, I also see that somebody was also again, you know, Page of Cup is again a card of illusion when it's in the negative sense. So somebody was promising you moon and stars, but they were not doing what they were promising basically. So what is the message for Aries? 9 of Wands. Take action and keep moving. That's your message. I see that this person has drained you so much. Now, if you have decided that you're not going to pay attention to this person and you're going to go on your own journey, keep doing that. All right? You are moving and you're doing a favor to yourself. Keep doing that. Yeah, Sun card. So I see that once you move on from this person or this situation, things are going to become very happy and bright. So I see a lot of happiness with the moon and the sun, definitely. So whatever was hidden with the moon is coming out with the sun, and you guys, you have taken a decision to move on. That's like the best decision that you've done. With the sun card, I see it is going to bring you a lot of happiness and joy. So I see your life has been stuck for some time because this person kept you in the dark and they never told you the truth. But now you are already self-discovering the truth, and you're going to find your happiness back into your life. Some of you, maybe this is a soulmate connection with the sun and the moon. So whatever is missing in you is completed by this person. Whatever is not there in them, it is completed by you. That is why it's a very intense connection. You know, soulmate connections can be very intense. So it might be one of the soulmate connections, but this person is also equally toxic. And that is why you had to leave them, because what can you do when somebody is so toxic? You cannot be with them, right? So you decided to move on. It was difficult for you, but then it's the best thing. What else? What else? Oh my god. So we have King of Pentacle and the Knight of Sword. Some of you might also be starting something new when it comes to your finance or career, because Knight of Sword and the King of Pentacle again shows that you're very determined to make something happen in your life. You know, the good thing of whatever you have gone through is that that situation has made you learn so many lessons, and it has also made you very determined. So lately you are very determined to make things happen in your life. After that breakup, or after that separation, or after that loss, you are channeling all that energy to make things happen in your life, and you're turning your back to anything which is not serving, and you're going after your goals, and you're moving into future full-fledged. You have become very determined to not allow anybody back into your life, and you're like, this is my life and I'm going to make it happen. What was the obstacle here between Aries and the person they were dealing with? Page of One and the Empress. Okay, this person was not treating you well. I see that you were an Empress and they were not, you know, they were very immature basically. They did not know how to treat an Empress. And that is where they fucked the whole situation. Some of you, I also see that maybe they had other people going on in the background. So maybe they were having many options. You were one of them, right? Like they were dealing with an Empress, but they were still looking for other people. Like, what stupidity can somebody do apart from this? So somebody did not treat you as per your worth, and I also see that maybe they were having multiple options. So that has been an obstacle. Some of you, they also did not tell you that they were married. So I see that whoever you were dealing with, either they were married or they were committed somewhere. This person has been a major pain in your ass. This has really caused a lot of emotional turmoil in your life, because they kept on treating you like an option. They kept on hiding things from you. All of this was really stressful with the 9 of Swords. I see you have had some sleepless nights, panicking times. Okay, what is the present energy for Aries? Judgment. You're waiting for some sort of decision. You might be waiting for a closure. Maybe there are closure issues. This person did not give you a closure. You're waiting to hear from them. But the good thing is that you're very much focused on your life as well. Your focus is your own life. And you're looking for something new. So you're very determined to move forward in life and leave the past in the past and make things happen for yourself. You're going after your goals, your ambitions. Beautiful energy. Knight of Cups. Somebody still loves you. They want to make things happen with you. Water sign, again, very prominent. Could be an earth sign as well. I see somebody still loves you. But you are very determined that you do not want this person, or you do not want them without a change. Some of you want this person to make the effort in the connection as much as you did in the past and change themselves for good and only then come into your life. You want them to do the hard work as well. You have done a lot of hard work in this connection in the past and you were disappointed. Now you want this person to put in the work. And you are very clear that if this person does not level up, you're not going to allow them in your life. Yeah, 2 of Wands. A lot of emotional up and down has happened in your life with the 3 of Swords. Somebody really disappointed you and you have come out of the situation with a lot of difficulty with the 2 of Wands. Now you are in a better position emotionally, physically. So that is why you're very cautious that you do not want to go back to somebody who will hurt you. So that is why you're taking things very slow. Some of you might also be starting something new in your career, or there could be a travel. Like if you're looking to travel with the 2 of Wands, I see you might travel. 4 of Swords. Are you feeling very stressed, Aries, because of your past? Because you have done so much for people? I see that something really bothers you still. So you have healed, you're trying to move on, but you still feel very bothered because whoever this person was, they just did you very bad. So your message is basically to unburden yourself and try to take a rest. Even in career, you might be doing a lot of things at once and you might be burning yourself. Don't do that. Do not experience a burnout, alright? Try to take a rest. And whenever you feel very burned, try to take rest. Do not quit. You might be tempted to quit. Don't quit. Alright, let's see. Future energy for Aries. 5 of Swords. You're very scared to be in relationship again. You're very scared to trust people. You have some major trust issues now because you have been treated really bad. But you know, there is someone who loves you a lot. Could be a new person. Some of you, I also see 2 people. So there could be 2 people in your life, old and a new, but there is definitely a new person or a better person in your life that loves you a lot. Could be a water sign very strongly. You are hoping for a connection, but you're very skeptical as well because you have been manipulated in the past and you have been cheated in the past. So you have a hard time basically trusting people. So you're taking it very slow when it comes to love. And all of your focus is on your own self. These days, you're just very focused on your money, your career, improving your life. You are not taking love very seriously. You might want somebody, but you're like, nah, love, we'll see later on. What else for love for Aries? Ace of Wands, King of Cups. There is someone who has their eye on you. And this person has a lot of love and there's a lot of passion as well. somebody is very attracted to you. They might not be telling you yet, you might not be seeing it yet, but I definitely see somebody wants to be in your life. And you are very skeptical to trust people again, because in the past nobody treated you for your worth, and somebody was keeping their options open. So you're very scared to allow somebody in your life. You're being very skeptical and very defensive, very guarded. All right, what else? World card. Wow, this is such a beautiful energy. Look at this. King of Cups, Ace of Wands, and the World card. Aries, you are having a love option, love opportunity coming towards you better than your expectation. You might really not have expected such a beautiful love coming into your life. The only thing is that do not push people away. I see that you have gone through some difficult times, and that is why you're pushing people away, because you're very skeptical. You cannot trust anybody. Don't do that. I see somebody is going to have a lot of love for you. This person is showing up for commitment. This person is here to stay. And they might also be looking for marriage with you, but the only problem is that you might be pushing them away because you cannot trust. And you're moving on and healing. So you're like, I don't want anybody. I'm healing. That's fine. Heal, but then allow people in your life as well. What else? Queen of Pentacles. Wow. Somebody is going to take you very seriously. This person is very serious about you. They really will be treating you for what you are, and they are going to offer you commitment. And what's about this business thing here? Some of you, you're very, very focused on your career, your business, and that is going to give you some amazing results. So yeah, whatever you're trying to plan in your business, whatever you're trying to do, it's going to give you amazing results. So keep going. Your money is about to improve, is what I see. Temperance. Wow. I see that the true love that you were waiting for is coming in. It's going to be very balanced. Somebody has a lot of love for you, but the only problem is that you're not seeing it. You're just closing your eyes. Don't do that. Ten of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So the separation, this heartbreak that you had in the past, that was actually to teach you a lesson so that you should know what much you deserve. Sometimes we try to settle for less, right? Like we just date fuck boys and then we think maybe this is true love, or maybe this is what I deserve. No, you deserve abundance. You deserve everything, but you were just trying to get caught up in the past. It is asking you that separation or that breakup was just there to teach you a lesson. Now your message is to look forward to what is coming towards you, because what is coming towards you is going to blow your mind. It's a commitment. See, express your love. Somebody is here. Oh my God. Somebody wants to express their love to you. They have so much passion. Wedding. Ooh. Something really, really committal is coming towards you. This is such a beautiful reading. Why didn't I read Aries for all this time? Look at the bigger picture. Universe is curating all of this for you. Like this separation that you had, it was just so that universe can bless you with this, so that you realize what is true love. Pay attention to the red flags. That's your past person. Somebody might try to come back. The person is toxic. Retreat. Right now I see that you're in the retreat mode. You're not giving anybody a chance. Maybe that is a red flag, because you're just not giving anybody a chance. Let your friends help you. Some of you, new person or this next love might actually come through your friends or common friends or family. What else? Forgiving and learning. So yeah, forgive yourself and learn from your past mistakes and keep moving forward. Do not try to repeat the same mistake over and over again. You have learned your lesson. Now it's your time to embrace the change and move forward, because I definitely see a commitment coming in for you. It's such a beautiful reading. The best reading so far. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps to resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.